Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Core 57S and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it. We can do it by sliding to the left simply. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the manual, so this is kind of pro mode. When we tap on this we get access to it, and this mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and let's go from the left. The first one button here allows us to control the exposure compensation, so the light of the picture. By using this slider we can make our photos, you can see, much brighter or darker as we need by going to the left. So this is how it works. The next one button here allows us to control ISO, so the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right to 1 6/1000 of it. So this is standard spectrum of ISO. Of course at the beginning we have the auto settings. The next one button here is the white balance, so we can control the temperature of picture and we can pick the daylight. So the light depends from the conditions we have in the area where we take a picture. We have the daylight, cloudy light, incandescent light and fluorescent light. So this is really cool. Of course at the beginning we have the auto settings. The next one button and the last one here gives us possibility to change some default settings. We can adjust the contrast of the picture. As you can see, this is how it works by using this slider. We can also pick the saturation of the colors by using the second one here, like that, and the brightness, so this is how it works here. And now let's move to this settings bar. Most of the settings is also in the standard photo mode, but we have one extra button here. When we tap on this we can pick the metering of this camera, we can pick the frame average metering, center weighted or spot, so this is how to change this. And now let me take a picture. For example, let me adjust the exposure compensation here, the ISO, the white balance, and maybe some contrast, maybe less saturate, for example, and more brightness. And to see the picture we have to move to the left corner at the bottom here, where we have quick access to the gallery. And this picture is here. When we tap on this we can see it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.